Hello, in this video I will be going over how to share files on your Google Drive with others. First, you're going to open up your Google Drive. You can see mine's open, and if you scroll down you can see all these files I have. It's very easy to create files, so for this example I'm going to hit my bio file folder, which is from high school. You're going to see at the top here my drive, hit bio, see this little pull down tab. There's open with, new folder, and you're going to hit share, which is what I'm going to do. You're going to want to maybe do this if you are at work and you are an accountant, let's say, and you have all these files and your boss asks you to share all of this account information, but instead of sharing multiple docs like how you could on Google Docs, you can put everything in a file and name it accounts 1 through 3. And this is all their files, and you hit share. So for this example, I'm going to do my Louisiana email, so I'll hit that, and you can add more people. There's different options. They can organize and edit, or they can view only. You can view only. You can also get a shareable link, so that way if you need to text someone a link to this file and they need to see it, you can do that. Or you can add notes like you could say, here are the accounts in this specific file of these people, and you can hit send. Since this doesn't have a Google account, you can hit a send invitation, so they have to create a Google account or send a link. No sign-in required, so they can get a link so they can view it. They won't be able to edit it. So I'm going to hit send a link, and it would send. So that's how I would share. Again, this is a great tool if you have multiple sets of documents or maybe presentations, even sheets or forms, any type of multiple pages that you could have put together, even presentations that need to go to a specific group of people or people. Instead of sharing everything individually one by one, you can send it in a group or through a file like that, and it makes it super easy and convenient for everyone. So I hope this was helpful.